Hi guys, it's your girl Alicia and we're back with another video. Right now, this is cassava puff balls. So I already boiled it, so I'm just showing you. Okay guys, so let's get into this video. As you could see, I already mashed it up already and then I added 1 spoon of baking powder. Okay, 1 spoon of baking powder to it, and then I mix it, and then I also added 1 spoon of butter. You'll see I'll be showing you in the video that I already added the stuff and I'm just showing you guys. Okay, you can see I'm still trying to soften it a little bit still. Okay, so as you can see, I'm showing you the butter that I use, and I only use 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Also, sorry guys about how I recorded, because I picked up my camera to record and I literally forgot that the battery was weak, and I just have to be using my ring light to record this, and my battery was extremely low, so it was on the charger charging. Okay, so sorry about the poor kind of recording. So as you could see, I cracked 1 egg, burst it open and just slightly just give it a beat, and then we're gonna add in the egg. The egg is also to hold the cassava together. Okay, the egg is to literally hold the cassava together.
Yeah, yeah, you are my African queen. Ooh,
So right now we're just mixing in the egg to our cassava. Okay, we're just mixing in the egg. Okay, so we're going to add in some onion powder. As you could see, I show you. Okay, this is also some cayenne pepper, a different kind. This is also some boyo, and then we added some cayenne pepper. I'm just showing you the ingredients that I already did it already. Okay, and some Creole seasoning. Okay, all right. Okay, as you can see, this is the cassava, then I form it as a ball, and then the flour. Okay, so I'll be showing you what I did step by step. Alright. Okay guys, let's get into this video. As you can see, I formed the ball with the spoon. Okay, and then I'm gonna rub it with my hands, like form it. Then roll it in the flour. Okay, and then knock off any excess flour, and then we're gonna put it back into the plate. Alright, and then let's get into it. So as you can see, they're in the frying pan frying. As you can see, they're nice and crispy with that brownness. Also guys, I forgot to tell you that you could also do cheese ones also if you want. Okay, let's take a look of the inside. As you could see, watch that. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, so this is the end results after we have fried some of it. As you could see, wow. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video and hope you guys enjoyed my video, and wishing you all the best. Okay, as you could see, this is cassava puff balls. Okay, we could also make a dip if you feel like. All right.